So let's start with the choose the correct option. So question number 1, which of these is true about solids? And the options are particles are particles are packed very close to each other. Option B, they are usually hard. Option C, they are fixed shape. And option D, all of this. So all of these are some of the features of solid. So we have to choose option D, that is all of this, not option C but option D. Okay, I have written here mistakenly I have written C, but it's in option D. Okay, after that, question number 2, which of these can flow from one place to another? So options are milk and water, oxygen and juice, air, and option D is all of this. As we all know that milk, water, oxygen, juice can flow from one place to another, so all of this is the correct option. Question number 3, which of these falls in the group of fluids? So options are solid, liquid and gases, and gases. So option C is the correct answer, liquid and gases. Which of these process changes water to ice? So, and the options are boiling, evaporation, condensation, or solidification. And the correct answer is solidification. Question number 5, which of these is the solid in sugar solution? And then your options are sugar, milk, water, or none of these. So the correct answer is sugar is the solid in which sugar uh, dissolves in the solute. Moving on. So now with the question number 6, which of these processes are best suited to remove insoluble substance from water? So the correct option is sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. Option C. After that, question number 7, which of these would you use to separate salt from water? So your options are sedimentation, decantation, filtration, and evaporation. So the correct answer is option D, evaporation. After that, question number 8, the process takes place when you take out an ice cube from the freezer and leave it at a normal room temperature. Your options are freezing, melting, condensation, and evaporation. So option B, melting, is the right answer. So moving on. So the next question is very short answer type questions. Give 2 examples for the following. Question number 1, substances in which particles are very closely packed. We have to give 2 examples for each. So I have written here pencil and book. After question number 2, substances in which particles are very loosely packed. So that will be your oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, these are 2 forms of gases. Question number 3, fluids is a I have written milk and carbon dioxide. In case you don't know the spelling of dioxide, you can write DIOXIDE, DIOXIDE. And then question number 4, substances soluble in water will be, I have written here salt and sugar. And the question number 5, substances insoluble in water will be sand and chalk. So that's all for now. We're gonna do our remaining exercises in the next class. Thank you.